All right, here is your first con of this unit, combining like terms with negative coefficients. So I have these ranked. I have three problems out here. First one is easy, second one medium, third one is hard, so let's go through all three of them. All right, first one, easy. First of all, I'm going to show you it's really important that we always use addition because most people can add way better than they can subtract. So we're always going to change everything to addition. If I have 4 negative p's and I add to that 6 more negative p's, altogether, how many negative p's do I have? 10 negative p's. Do you see how easy that is when we add? Simple. Okay, now we're going to a medium difficulty one here. Okay, so notice how I have a subtraction sign in here. I'm not going to do subtraction. We're going to rewrite this and write in addition. So I still have the negative 2k. Remember, minus a negative, two negatives together create a plus sign, so is plus 5. And then I still have the plus 1. Now, when we look at like terms here, these two numbers do not have a k, so they are called like terms. This is the only number that has a k. So the two like terms, 5 and 1, positive 5 and positive 1 makes positive 6. And the negative 2k had nothing to combine with, so it stays right there. Okay, I know I said that was medium difficulty. I don't think that really was. But let's get to the hard one. Oh my gosh, this is so hard, guys. All right, negative 3n minus 7 plus negative 6n plus 1. We don't like minus signs, so let's rewrite it. We have negative 3n plus negative 7 plus negative 6n plus 1. You will notice on here, I have negative 3n plus negative 6n. What is negative 3n plus negative 6n? Would you say it's negative 9n? I would agree with you. There it is, negative 9n. So where'd the negative 6 come from? Let's figure that one out. I have a negative 7 that I'm adding a positive 1 to. So basically, the positive 1 will cancel one of the negatives, leaving me with how many negatives left over? 6 negatives. So that's where the negative 6 comes from. Even though we rewrite it here with plus signs, if it ends up being a negative number, we have to rewrite it back to its original format like this. So hopefully that makes sense. I don't think this was too terribly hard, but you'll probably agree it was the hardest of these three. Hey, good luck. Shouldn't take you too long. Bye-bye.